How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another Capital Gains 500 video, and today we are checking out Landcadia Holdings 2, which is actually LCA. Ignore Landcadia, it's so weird, it's so odd, I don't even understand it either. I think it's just the name of the person who created the company, and again, it's a holding company that acquires another company, and it takes the acquiring company, that one that actually has a business model, and then takes it public quickly, loopholing without the other company having to do IPO. This company takes advantage of being on stock exchanges, that way the other one can just quickly go public, get money, and I don't know, some people are gonna have payday. All right, after that long rant of, oh my gosh, these holding companies are really pushing through right now in 2020 with all this crazy money coming in, what are they acquiring? They are acquiring Tilman Fertitta's online betting company, which is the Golden Nugget. And Tim Fertitta actually owns the Golden Nugget Casino, so it just makes perfect sense that he's using the name. He owns it. This guy is a true business person, entrepreneur, billionaire. I've known about him in my early entrepreneur journey. I've studied him. I've seen his work. Huge restaurateur. He has a whole bunch of restaurants, whole bunch of casinos. He has so much. He has the Houston Rockets. This guy, I'm betting on this guy, and that's why I bought LCA. This guy makes so much money for himself that obviously anyone around him, he's made money for them too. I first learned about him with Tai Lopez. Knowledge. Because I'm a Tai Lopez student. That's where I learned a lot of online business and junk. Knowing that he has a great track record taking the Golden Nugget company online and public all at the same time really quickly, taking advantage of the situation. And what's the situation? That there's crazy money in the stock market. Right now is the perfect time. He's making moves. And LCA, where has it been going after this announcement? It's only been, it's gone up. It's a little bit choppy. I do agree with that. But again, I do acknowledge, I in my belief, it's because of the name and people don't really recognize it. Not everyone reads the news articles. Not everyone knows who Tilman Fertitta is. Again, I do know who he is. I do know his businesses. So again, I'm betting on the jockey and the business also, because it, like, online gambling, bro, like, that's growing. More states are going to allow it. The more people get desperate, the more people are home. States are going to want more money, more revenue. So more states are going to be opening up their doors to online gambling. Currently, I believe that they're only at New Jersey, I believe. And I know this guy can, in my opinion, outperform DraftKings. So sorry, DraftKings, I'm betting on Tilman and Golden Nugget, because they're your prime competitor now. DraftKings had a huge, great run, as you guys know, back in the craze of the casinos and junk like a month ago. So, and I know that flame is gonna re-spark once people really get desperate, once people want to just make a quick buck, they're gonna start betting. Once sports come online, way more things that can happen where people can bet money, these stocks are gonna take off again. And once we see LCA, in my opinion, switch to GNOG for Golden Nugget, boom, another rocket up. I currently bought today, as I will show you, at $13.44. Shoulda, woulda, coulda waited. I got a little happy. Why did I get happy? Because let me draw this on Let me draw this out on Webull. So I was taking a look at this. Let me look at, that's the 5 minute. Sorry, my bad. Let's look at the 4 hour. Look at this pressure. Once we heard about the news, it was like it skyrocketed, and then it calmed down. It went down and down, and people were cashing out. Basically, these were incredible gains from $10 all the way to 60%. Who would not want to cash that out and come back later once it's at a lower price? And the lower prices, we did start hitting them under 12, under even as low as $11.93, which shoulda, coulda, woulda, missed out on that. But I think 13, I'm at a good spot. And I see this triangle formation right here, and it's waiting. It just needs volume. It needs more people to really come in and buy up the stock to drive it up. Where do I see this going? I don't know. That's a hard tell. But easily, if it already went up to 1688, I believe it can easily go up to 20, which, look, off the chart on Webull, already at 18. Oh, if we were to go back at its high point, though, just being fair, that's 25% gain. That's nice. I bought 100 shares, 120. I don't remember. So I have $1,000. So this would be a nice like $300 that I profited. What am I planning to do after like I make some gains and junk? Again, if it spikes up way too fast, like this one right here, I'm gonna have to take some gains and walk away from the stock for a while. Once it calms down, finds a good valuation, once again, nice entry point. Again, I am going to possibly trade this stock, mainly because like that's the thing right now. I cannot hold on to bags that are going to be bleeding in case the markets go down, and that's going to be an update video for the future of my views on the markets. So I don't feel comfortable holding for a long time unless, again, as I explained in another video, maybe if you did not watch it, if it has slow and steady growth, like in a year, if we're only at 1590, I'm going to hold longer. Why? Because it's nice. Slow and steady wins the race. Why would it drop? Unless bad news, unless, but slow and steady. But a drastic up climb, like right here, sell. Capture those gains, re-enter at a lower mark, in my opinion. And that's what's happening a lot with a lot of stocks. LCA gonna take on DraftKings. DraftKings had its good run. I feel like people just really want to invest in whatever the next hot thing is. Other than that, I am investing in it for that reason, because I believe it's gonna be the next hot thing. Aside from that, the jockey, which is Tilman, again, I can't stop praising him, because again, I've studied him. I love his work. I love what he's done. Self-made billionaire. Dude is awesome. That's why I put money down without even thinking about it. I did see that I didn't catch the lower price under 13, around $12, but that doesn't matter. We're gonna go up. In my opinion, that's where I want to go. Come on, Till. We're friends now, right? Right, Till? Let's go. Bring in those gains. Do your work. Do your magic. It's expected his platform be live and available in other states as soon as 2021. So again, if it spikes up, it's just to more news outlets and hype. But if it's slow and steady growth, it's because, he's doing his job. He's taking us to another state. And this just falls in my portfolio and the things that I like to invest in. Like, again, gambling. Gambling to me is like, I have that addiction. So, and I love gambling. I like to go to Vegas a lot. So, hey, I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna go to the Golden Nugget. I'm kind of an owner here. Kind of own this place too. But that's just me. If you guys start seeing LCA, it's going to be GNOG. GNOG was LCA. Have a great day, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully, you guys found this golden nugget of a stock before it takes off. In my opinion, I don't see it going down for no reason. Again, it's acquiring GNOG. Holding company going to merge. They're going to change their name already. Everything has been filed with the SEC. It's been approved. They're going to do it. I believe in a month or so, everything of this should change. So getting it early. That's my position right now, and let's go forward. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you guys thought. Were you gonna take a look at this stock? Are you gonna do a little bit more research? A lot of news is not really out there other than, yeah, this is happening. All right, very cool. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, both the good and the bad. And if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe so you can continue to be updated on what the heck is going on in the stock market news, and Filasco's in general.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, Bob and Dog.
Godspeed indeed.
Vehicle pitching downrange.